Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software basics. This is the immediate action. Check battery health and charge level. Swelling or rapid drops point to a bad battery. Once done, update the operating system and all apps because many auto-off issues stem from firmware bugs. If problems persist, boot the phone into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. This lets you determine whether an app is causing the shutdown and prevents extra troubleshooting steps. Next, you dig into apps and settings to find the cause. Open battery usage and inspect which apps consume the most power or hold wake locks, because background CPU spikes often trigger shutdowns. Then, adjust battery optimization and disable auto-restart permissions for apps that misbehave. This prevents them from restarting aggressively. If an app still looks suspicious, force stop it, then uninstall to test stability. These steps reduce software-driven power stress and reveal whether the issue is app-related. Finally, you perform calibration and definitive repairs to finish the fix. Calibrate the battery by fully discharging the phone, then charging it to 100% uninterrupted. Repeat one time to refresh the battery indicator. If software fixes failed, back up your data and run a factory reset, because corrupted system files can force shutdowns. Make sure to test using a different battery or have a technician run diagnostics if the phone still powers off unexpectedly. Hardware faults are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.